She's already forgiven me. But now, because of you, Miss speech
Because of me?
That speech was important to me, all right? It was my mum talking about my dad.
Well, you two, shut up. This isn't about you. Haven't you noticed? Mum's been out of it all day. All week she's been. I don't know what she's been.
Mum. How are you?
Sorry. I made a scene.
What's going on? What happened?
Hey! Said I'd come and check up on you. Claire's just trying to call Misbah.
Sorry, yeah, I should go back in.
No, that's okay. I think things are just winding down now once James has been arrested. And Misbah's, What was up with Misbah?
Me and Shaq. It's all a bit much. I mean, to be honest, Misbah's always been a pretty complicated person, yeah. I'm just worried about her.
When I first met him, Ali, I thought he was so smart. I wouldn't stop pestering him. Run to the class, questions, until he paid me attention.
She was a great student, amazing. Hand up, telling me I'd got the name of some study wrong. And she was right.
Is that when you started training her?
Yeah. I just wanted to help her. Like I am with Cleo now.
Let me join his research group. Pancreatic cancer, it's still on my CV, tucked away at the bottom. He gave me the experience, but then
You got together.
he'd been so kind to me. He'd given me so much help.
Mum?
I had a crush on him. And the experience. I needed that to be the best doctor I could be.
So what happened?
I should have drawn more professional boundaries. I knew she had a crush on me. It's pretty common with students, yeah. But that night, I should have said no. I should have made her leave. And then afterwards, I'm ashamed to admit this, I felt uncomfortable with us working together anymore. Then she told me about the pregnancy. You know, she was still mad about me. She wanted to get married. But in the end, she dropped out for a year and we drifted apart. You know, I just feel awful that she's carried this shame. She made a mistake. We made a mistake. But she shouldn't keep punishing herself for it.
If you could go back?
I wouldn't change it. We've got Shaq and all the training that I gave her and the experience. I truly believe that it made her who she is today.
He made me who I am today. Sorry.
Stop saying that.
No, we're sorry for arguing.
It's all right. I'm going to bed. It's a long day.
What's wrong with my hair, Tika? You keep looking at it, then looking away. Like you're afraid of it. But you can't stop yourself. Mum? Turn around.
Back memories.
Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off.
No.
Whoa, Yaz, just do what she says.
No. What's wrong with it?
Nothing. 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 It's mine. I was wearing it. I wore it. I wore it the night. The night.
There is my Misbah I remember.
Leave me alone.
Maybe we can deal with this in the morning, yeah?
No. The night you two
Yeah. Well, there was this thing, this dinner, this party thing to celebrate his research, and we went along, and I wore it, and then afterwards...
What happened after?
We were drinking. And we went back to his place, and... And then
You had sex?
I'm not comfortable with my daughter asking these kinds of questions, yes.
But you did have sex?
Of course we had sex! It's here, isn't it?
It.
I didn't mean that.
Yaz, that's enough now.
Yeah, she's tired, Yaz.
Mom, look at me. Look at me. Was the sex consensual?
How dare you?
I'm only asking because I love you.
I'm a doctor. You think I don't know? You think I haven't treated hundreds of women? You think I don't know what it looks like?
So answer the question.
I know what it looks like.
Answer the question.
All right. Calm down.
I'm not one of those women.
Mom? Was the sex consensual?
I learned so much from it.
No. That's not... Yaz, stop it now.
Are you saying?
No, I don't want your help. I don't need your help. Jack!
I'll go. Yes.
Tell me about that night. Did you?
What are you talking about?
She told us. She told us about how I was conceived, that you...
She's lying.
Shut up!
It's a lie. Okay, she had the crush on me. She came on to me.
I don't believe you.
I didn't say no.
That's not how consent works. Did he know that you didn't want to have sex with him? Did he know?
It's true, isn't it? Ali raped me.